Hey, all over here. Today we're gonna make something Tiffany found somewhere online. We're gonna cross a mozzarella cheese stick and a fried pickle. And we're gonna have a cheese stick fried pickle. So we're gonna hollow out a pickle, put a cheese stick in the middle of it, then bread it, and we're not going to get down, Tiago. We're not going to deep fry it. We're going to put it in the air fryer. You can bake them in the oven. You can deep fry them in oil, however you want. So you're going to need however many whole pickles you're wanting to do. And then you need string cheese. That's key to any cheese stick. If you're making regular cheese sticks, you need string cheese, but freeze the cheese first so you can have time to fry it. Then we have AP flour with some garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, 2 eggs just beat up in a bowl, and some panko breadcrumbs. It's best to use panko crumbs. So what you're gonna do, take your pickle and you wanna slice both ends off. So then we gotta hollow it out. This is the part you need to be careful. Don't cut yourself. And we gotta hollow it all the way through. But don't cut all the way through the sides of the pickle. You wanna leave a wall. Just go slow and little by little scrape the inside of your pickle out. Okay, so hollow your pickle out so you can see all the way through your pickle. Gotta get the pickle juice off my finger so I can open the cheese. Then we're gonna take string cheese. Now this cheese is not frozen. If you freeze the cheese and then try to put it in the pickles, it's gonna break open the pickles. So you need the cheese. You need the cheese to be pliable. You need the cheese to be pliable. You can flip it back. We gotta hollow this pickle out a little bit more. Then it helps, the bigger the pickle you get, the easier it's going to be to do this. But you just force it in. And you can turn your cheese a little bit as it helps. And now you can do this all the way through and just keep it twisting and pushing to get all the way through, or you can get about halfway through like I did and cut it, and then go to the other side. See, this side is a lot smaller, so we're gonna have to trim our cheese down so it's not as wide. So it fits in And then just cut off your excess. There's a little hanging over, so I like to smush it in so it's even on both ends. Okay. So now that we got that done, what we're gonna do, and I got 4 of them. That's all I'm gonna do is just 4 of them. We're just doing this to show you guys this on video, so we're only gonna make 4 of them. So then the breading step goes flour. Get it coated with the flour. Make sure you coat it as well as you can with the flour. Okay. Then we're gonna go egg. Get that coated really well. Okay. Come out the egg, and then we're gonna do the breadcrumbs. Coat this super good. Okay. Then we're gonna put them in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Same with the oven or whatever, 400 for 20 minutes. We'll be back with you in about 20 minutes. Alright, y'all. I put them in 400. I told you 20. I did 30. I wanted them a little crispier. You do them. Like I tell you, times are going to vary, obviously, by your oven or your air fryer, and if you deep fry them in oil, they're going to be done a lot quicker. So just keep in mind, times are going to vary for everybody. I tell you, like I always tell you. Okay. And now, I didn't roll these around while they was cooking. You could always rotate them. See the cheesy goodness oozing out? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look at that. That cheesy goodness. Okay, now. I know you're gonna say, you put 4 of them in and only 3 came out. I've been FaceTiming with Draven and she wanted to see, so I've taken 1 out and cut it open and everything for Draven, but I'm not gonna cut these open. You eat these just like you would a cheese stick. Dip them in ranch or however you eat your cheese sticks, but a word to the wise, let them cool when they come out before you eat them.
Yes.
You need to let them cool, but I don't know if you can hear how crispy they are.
Mm-hmm.
And cheese has started to ooze out. I just pulled the whole plug of cheese out. Now I'm burning my fingers. So the inside, cheesy goodness mixed with the fried pickle. So if you like fried pickles and you like cheese sticks, you're gonna love these. So give these a try. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think of them. Let us know anything you want made, any recipes or anything like that. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We'll catch you all down the road.